Habits are the building blocks of our lives. They shape our daily routines and ultimately determine our long-term success. By consciously cultivating positive habits, we can unlock our full potential and create a life we truly desire. Whether it's improving our health, boosting productivity, or strengthening relationships, habits are the key. Small changes compounded over time have a remarkable impact on our lives. This essay will guide you on how to start small, build lasting habits, and reap the extraordinary rewards that come with them. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Let's take that step together. When it comes to building new habits, starting small is crucial. Many people make the mistake of setting overly ambitious goals, only to get overwhelmed and give up too soon. Instead of trying to change everything at once, focus on making tiny, incremental improvements each day. These small wins may seem insignificant at first, but they create momentum and pave the way for sustainable progress. For instance, if you aim to exercise regularly, begin with a short 5-minute workout. Once this becomes effortless, gradually increase the duration and intensity. By breaking down your ultimate goal into manageable steps, you make the process less daunting and more achievable. Remember, consistency is key. Now that we understand the importance of starting small, let's outline some practical steps to kickstart your habit journey. First, identify a specific habit you want to develop. Be clear about your why, the reason behind wanting to cultivate this habit. Having a strong reason will fuel your motivation and keep you going when faced with challenges. Next, choose a specific time and place where you will perform your new habit. This could be right after waking up, before going to bed, or during your lunch break. By associating your habit with a specific cue, you make it more likely to become automatic over time. Habit stacking is a powerful technique that involves linking your new habit to an existing one. For example, if you want to start meditating every morning, you could stack it onto your existing habit of brushing your teeth. After brushing your teeth, you would immediately proceed to meditate for a few minutes. By leveraging the power of association, habit stacking makes it easier to incorporate new behaviors into your routine. Look for existing habits in your day that can serve as triggers for your new desired actions. Section 5. From small steps to a new identity. As you consistently repeat your new habit, something remarkable happens. It begins to shape your identity. You start seeing yourself as the type of person who embodies that habit. For instance, if you consistently exercise, you no longer see yourself as someone who tries to work out, but as someone who is an athlete. This shift in identity is powerful because it aligns your actions with your self-perception. Once you identify as someone who practices a particular habit, it becomes easier to maintain it in the long run. Remember, your actions shape your identity, and your identity shapes your actions. Section 6. Overcoming obstacles and staying motivated. The journey of habit formation is not always smooth sailing. There will be days when you lack motivation or face unexpected obstacles. The key is to anticipate these challenges and develop strategies to overcome them. One effective approach is to create a system of accountability. Share your goals with a friend, family member, or mentor who can provide support and encouragement. You can also track your progress using a journal, app, or calendar. Visualizing your progress can be incredibly motivating and help you stay on track. Section 7. The science behind habit formation. Understanding the science behind habit formation can empower you to make lasting changes. Our brains are wired to automate repetitive behaviors. When we perform an action repeatedly, neural pathways are strengthened, making it easier to repeat that action in the future. This process is known as synaptic plasticity. By consistently repeating your new habit, you are essentially rewiring your brain to make it more automatic. This is why consistency is crucial, especially in the early stages of habit formation. Section 8. The ripple effect of positive habits. The benefits of cultivating positive habits extend far beyond the initial area of focus. When you develop one positive habit, it creates a ripple effect, positively impacting other areas of your life. For example, exercising regularly not only improves your physical health, but also boosts your energy levels, mood, and cognitive function. As you experience the positive consequences of your new habits, it creates a virtuous cycle, motivating you to continue your self-improvement journey. Embrace this ripple effect and witness the transformative power of positive habits in all aspects of your life. Section 9. Embrace the journey of self-improvement. Building new habits is a journey, not a destination. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way. The key is to approach this journey with a growth mindset, embracing mistakes as opportunities for learning and growth. Remember to celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Each step you take towards building positive habits is a step towards becoming the best version of yourself. Embrace the journey, be patient with yourself, and never underestimate the transformative power of small, consistent actions.